Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Roblox animation not working issue. This problem usually happens due to corrupted cache, broken assets, outdated Roblox files, or temporary network loading issues. The first thing you need to do is restart Roblox on your device, completely close Roblox, then relaunch it. Now check your internet connection, because a weak or unstable connection can stop animations from loading properly in-game. Next, clear Roblox cache and temporary files. If you are using Roblox in a browser, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard, then delete cached images, files, cookies, and other site data. This helps remove corrupted data that may prevent animations from playing correctly. After that, rejoin the game or switch to a different server, because the issue may only happen in one server. Also, make sure Roblox is updated to the latest version, because outdated versions can cause animation or asset loading problems. If the issue still continues, completely reinstall Roblox to refresh all game files and replace corrupted components. Finally, check if the issue only happens in one specific game. If it does, the problem is likely server-side or caused by a broken game asset. That's it. We just learned how to fix Roblox animation not working. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial video.